or see A by B, LHS into LHS, A by B into B by C. A by B is 1 by 2. So now, dear students, first you have to decide whether it's a direct proportion or inverse proportion. Sum of numbers is 40, means x plus y, if you take it is 40. When you add 5 to each number, the ratio will become 2:5. Now cross multiply. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of ratios and proportions. So now 2 markers, two numbers whose difference is 176 are in the ratio 5:16, find the numbers. They gave two numbers, their difference is 176, the numbers are in the ratio 5:16. Whenever they give the numbers in ratio, assume them as let 5x and 16y be the 16x be the numbers. Whenever they give the ratio, suppose if numbers are in the ratio 2:3, then numbers are 2x and 3x. But now the numbers are in the ratio 5:16, therefore the numbers are 5x and 16x be the numbers. So we'll assume the numbers as 5x and 16x. So they have given difference. So they have also given difference between the numbers. Difference means what? 16x minus 5x. So larger minus smaller is because the difference is positive. That's why you should take 16 minus 5, 176. Solve this equation. So now we have 16x minus 5x is equal to 176. And you know 16 minus 5 gives you 11x. 11x is 176. We need x. What is x? 176 divided by 11. So 176 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. 6, 11, 6 are. So 16. So x value will get 16. 11 ones are 11. 6 is the remainder. 66 means 11 6 are. So you got x is equal to what? 16. So therefore the numbers are, what are the numbers? Numbers are what? The numbers are what we assumed. We assumed the numbers as what? 5x and 16x. The numbers are what? 5x. 5x means what? 5 into, what is the x value you got? 16. So 16 5s are 80. 80 is one number. And the other number is, what is the other number? 16x. So 16x means what? 16 into 16. 16 16s are 256. So you got the answer. Therefore 80 and 256 are the numbers. 80 and 256 are the numbers. So dear students, if the given numbers are in the ratio, should take the numbers as associated with x. 5:x, take 16. The given numbers are in the ratio 5:16. Therefore, the numbers are 5x and 16x. And they give difference of the numbers is 176. So therefore 5x, 16x minus 5x is 176. I should take larger number minus smaller number because the difference they give positive. Next, we'll go to the next question. If 3a plus b is to 4a minus 7b is equal to 2:3, find a is to b. So they gave 3a plus b is to means I can write divided by 4a minus 7b is equal to 2:3 means I can write 2/3. So I have taken this ratio as 2/3. Is to, in spite of is to, you know a is to b means a by b. So take this, now cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, 3 comes to this side, so it will become 3 into 3a plus b is equal to, so transfer this to RHS, so it will become 2 into 4a minus 7b. Further simplify this, 3 3s are 9a plus 3b is equal to 2 4s are 8a minus 7 2s are 14b. So now rearrange, bring all a to one side. That implies I'll transfer a terms to this side. So 9a, 8a comes this side, it will become minus 8a. Transfer b to RHS. Already we have minus 14b. And b, if it goes that side, it will become minus 3b. Now simplify, you know 9a minus 8 is a minus 14 minus 3 is minus 17b, like terms. So a is equal to minus 17b you got. So I need a by b. So into b bring this side. So it will become a by b. That implies a by b is minus 17. A by b means minus 17. I can write minus 17 as what? Minus 17 is to 1. So a by b is equal to minus 17 by 1. So therefore, what is the conclusion? A by b means what? A is to b. A is to b is minus 17 is to 1. So they want the ratio minus 17 by 1. Then if A is to B is 1 is to 2 and B is to C is 3 is to 5, find A is to B is to C. So they give A by B is 1 by 2 and B by C is 3 by 5. They want A is to B is to C. A is to A by B into B by C. I'll multiply this two. So if you multiply A by B into B by C gives you 1 by 2 into 3 by 5. So B cancels, you get A is to C. What is A is to C? A is to C is half into 3 by 10 it will be. So therefore A is to C is 3 is to 10. Now we need A is to B, we have 1 by 2, B is to C, we have 3 by 5. Now we want A is to B is to C. A by B by C, that is, A is to C is what? 3 is to 10. But they want A is to B is to C. See, A value 3, C value 10. So is to in between B value. B value is we are multiplying. So multiply, see here B means what? Second value. Because A is first value, B is second value. Here B means what? First value. So multiply these two. So what is 2 into 3? 6. So I should put this. So 3 is to 6 is to 10. I hope all of you got it. So they give A is to B. What is A is to B they give? A is to B they give 1 is to 2. And they means A by B they give 1 by 2. And similarly they give B is to C. B is to C they give 3 is to 5. So therefore, if I multiply A by B into B by C, so that see A by B, LHS into LHS, A by B into B by C. A by B is 1 by 2 into B by C is 3 by 5. If I do that, I'll get here you can cancel B and B. So you will be left out with what? A by C. A by C is what? 3 by 5. So now dear students, we need A is to B is to C. So 3 by 5 2s are 5 into 2 here. So 3 ones are 3, 2 5s are. A by C will get 3 by 10. So A is to B is to C is 3 is to B is to 10. Because A is 3, C is 10 now. B is what we multiplied. So multiply the B values. See, in first case the B value is what? Second value. A is 1, B is 2, so second value. In second case, B is what? First value. In B is to C, they give 3 is to 5. So now multiply these two, 3 2s are. So that is 3 is to 3 into 2 is to 10. So that is 3 is to 6 is to 10 is the ratio. A is to B is to C. How to get? So first find A by B into B by C. You will get A by C. A by C means what? AC you got 3 10. In between we have B. B is obtained by multiplying both the ratios. Means B of first case is 2. B of second case is 3. Multiply these two. You get 6. Then if 15 chair costs rupees 750, what will be the cost of 120 chairs at the same price? 15 chairs cost is rupees 750. What will be the cost of 120 chairs they are asking? So they are asking you to compare. So 15 chairs costs what? 750. 120 chairs cost how much? So this is direct proportion. Why it is direct proportion? If one increases, other also increases. Let X be the cost of, so I'll say let X be the cost of what is called as 120 chairs. So now, dear students, first you have to decide whether it's a direct proportion or inverse proportion. Direct proportion means if one quantity increases, other also increases, or if one value increases, other value also increases, then it's direct. Here, number of chairs and cost. I'll make a table. Number of chairs and cost. So 15 chairs, they give the worth, that is 750 rupees. And now they want cost of 120 chairs. Obviously, it will be more. So that is X. It's a direct proportion. If one increases, other also increases, we say direct proportion. Directly you can do cross multiplication. So 15 into X is equal to 120 into 750. So that is X is equal to 120 into 750 divided by 15. Simplify this. 15 ones are 15, 15 5s are 0. So X into 5, 12 5s are 16 and double 0. So because it is 2 zeros and 12 5s are 60, 6,000 rupees. Therefore, how many chairs? 120 chairs. 120 chairs costs rupees 6,000. So dear students, I use the technique of direct proportion. If it is a direct proportion, then what you can do? You can cross multiply. You can do what? Cross multiply. 15x we got. So if you take ratio 15:75 is equal to 120:x. So if you take ratio 15:7, how much? 15 is as 120 into x. You can use this. Now you know product of extremes is equal to product of means. So that is 15 into x is equal to 750 into 120. And now you need x. X is what? Cost of 120 chairs. So 750 into 120 divided by 15. So same, you'll get same thing, that is 6,000 rupees. So I wrote it in terms of proportion here. It's a direct proportion. 15:170 is as 120:x. So this is to this is as this is to this. It's direct. So both you write ratio as it 15:750 to 120x. That's it. And you know, for a proportion, product of extremes is equal to product of means, but recognizing it is direct proportion. And one more technique is cross multiplication. So one quantity, other quantity. This is number of chairs, this is cost. 15 chairs, 750 rupees. 120 chairs, we don't know, call it as x. Cross multiply. If it is a direct relation, you can multiply this into this is equal to this into this. Means it is same as product of extremes is equal to product of means. So this into this means 15 into x. Here, 15 into x. This into this means anything fine. For direct relation, cross multiply. Or for direct relation, take the ratio first, is as second. So it will become a proportion. For a proportion, all of you know, product of extremes is equal to product of means. Now, find the ratio between two numbers such that their sum is 40 and their difference is 8. They want ratio between the numbers such that their sum is 40 and difference is 8. So I'll take numbers as let x and y be the numbers. X and y be the numbers. They want x is to y. And you need to find ratio of the numbers, means you need to find x by y. They give hints. Sum of numbers is 40. Means x plus y, if you take it, is 40. And also they give difference of the number is 8. Difference of the number is 8. X minus y is 8. Call it as 2. Solve the equations. So you can add. It is better to add. If I add x plus x is 2x and y minus y cancels. 40 minus 8 is 32 and x is exactly 32 by 2. That is 2 1s and 2 16s. So x is 16. Put it in any equation. So put x is equal to 16 in equation say 1. So x plus y equal to 40. So y is equal to 40 minus x. Y is equal to 40 minus 16. Y is equal to 40 minus 10, 30. 30 minus 6 is 24. You got the number. So you got the numbers. They are not interested in numbers. They want ratio of the numbers. Now consider ratio of the numbers. Consider ratio. Consider ratio of the numbers. X by y. X by y means 16 by 24. You know, both are divisible. You can divide them. Both are divisible by 4. 4 4s are 4 6 are. Or I would have done, okay, 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 by 3. So x by y, you got 2 by 3. So therefore, x is to y is the ratio, that is 2 is to 3, simple. Next, two numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 5. If 5 is added to each, they are in the ratio 2 is to 3. Find the numbers. So they told two numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 5. Means let the numbers be, if they give ratio, we'll assume the numbers as 3x and 5x. Now they gave, if 5 is added to each number, means I'll add, for 3x I'll add 5, 3x plus 5, and 5, okay, added to each number, means for 3x also add 5, 5x also add 5, 3x plus 5, and for 5x also add 5. Then the new ratio will be 2 is to 3. New ratio means what? Divided by is 2 is to 3. When you add 5 to each number, the ratio will become 2 is to 5. Now cross multiply. So 3 into 3x plus 5 equal to 2 into 5x plus 5. Now simplify this. 9x plus 15 is equal to 10x plus 10. Rearrange. 15 minus 10 is equal to 10x minus 9x. 15 minus 10 is 5 is equal to x. Therefore, you got x value. What is x value? 5. What is the required value? They want numbers. What are the numbers? 3x and 5x. So 3x means 3 into 5, 15. 5x means 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 5, 25. 15 and 25. Therefore, the numbers are 15 and 25. These are the numbers. So always when they give the numbers in the ratio, they told find the numbers which are in the ratio 3 is to 5. So you should take the numbers as what? 3x and 5x. So till now I have done standard 2 markers. We'll continue with some more problems in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.